Ladies and gentlemen, we will conclude this part of the entertainment with a brand new song sung here in Chicago for the first time on any stage by myself and company. You Camptown ladies sing this song. Do-da, do-da. You Camptown racetrack 5 miles long. Oh, do-da day. I come down there with my hat caved in. Do-da, do-da. I go back home with a pocket full of tin. Oh, do-da day. Wind around all night, wind around all day. I bet my money on the bobtail nag. Somebody bet on the bay. The long tail filly and the big black horse. Do-da, do-da. They fly the track and they both cut across. Oh, do-da day. The blind horse sticking in a big mud hole. Do-da, do-da. Can't touch bottom with a 10-foot pole. Oh, do-da day. Wind around all night, wind around all day. I bet my money on the bobtail nag. Somebody bet on the